Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Praveen Kumar Bomisetti. In this video, we'll cover one important topic that is DBT model, data build tool models. Okay, this is very important concept in our real-time use cases. Okay. Now let us discuss one by one. In this video, we'll cover what is DBT model, what exactly it means, okay, how to run a model, how to refer a model, and one practical session. Okay, so we can able to achieve by this video. Okay, so let us discuss one more time. Okay, so what exactly DBT models? Okay, see definition. Models are nothing but .SQL files that contains transformation logic. Okay, so simply say .SQL file that contains transformation logic. We are taking the raw data with the help of DBT model. We're trying to do the transformation and we get the transformed output. Simple, it's a .SQL file that contains transformation logic. Okay, simply can say it's a DBT or nothing but it's a select statements. Okay, so DBT models nothing but these are simply select statements in DBT. Okay, simple. See this one. So what I said, DBT models are nothing but simple SQL statement. So by using DBT run command, okay, see in the Snowflake environment or in the Redshift or anywhere in the data warehouse, what happened? It will convert into either tables or either views. Okay, see one more time. So see, DBT models are nothing but these are a simple SQL statement that contains the transformation logic. Okay, so when you run DBT model, what happened? DBT run is the command. It will run the models. What exactly do in the Snowflake environment or in the Redshift environment or in the Google BigQuery environment? What exactly it convert? It convert our SQL files into respective tables or respective views. It can be transient tables or permanent tables. It's a normal view or secure views. Depends on the use cases. We'll go for transient tables. I'll go for permanent tables. I'll go for normal views. I'll go for secure views. Okay, got the point. A simple SQL statement, the with classes. So it will internally convert into tables and views when you try to run DBT run model. Okay, hope this is clear. So this is simple SQL statements. Okay. Next step is that what how to run a model. Okay, see, so it can be run by using dbt run -m model name. Okay, or dbt run model name or hyphen s. So there are multiple ways. Are there? We can go for dbt run -m and model name. So by using this command, we can able to run particular model. We can able to run. Okay. Next question is that what suppose like I want to use this model. Okay, see how can I refer? So by using ref function, select star from ref function. This is the one. This is the JINJA template. Okay, so this placeholder is nothing but it's a JINJA template. So by using ref function, we can able to refer the model. Okay, so select star from the placeholder, ref function, and model name. Okay, got the point. So this way we can able to refer. Now we'll see one practical session. Okay, how we are trying to create a model. Okay. Okay, this is the cloud. Okay, so DBT cloud. Let me open one more file. Now what happened? Now I'm trying to select what's the database name. Select a current database, current schema. Okay. Okay, see. Now what database name is what? Okay, so we are connected to the Snowflake database. Which database we are connecting? SF DBT dev DB. Now go to Snowflake. Now makes of use database. So database name, control enter, same thing, makes of schema. Copy the schema name, control enter, okay, use schema name. Now we are in what? Okay, see, now we are in okay, so SFTP DBT dev DB RAS schema. Now what happened? Let me confirmation purpose show views. Okay, as of now, there are 0 views are there. Take confirmation, show tables. As of now, 6 tables are there. Okay, so there are 6 tables are there. Okay, so 0 views and 6 tables. Now what happened? Let me, okay, see, let me write simple model. Okay, one ID. So Praveen. No, okay, now what happened? Now this is simple model with 2 columns ID. Let's say the same thing. Go to the models. Okay, for testing purpose, I'm putting. So, okay, so Praveen, the test model, something. I'm putting okay dot SQL. So this is my model name. Okay, copy the same thing. So create. Okay, my model folder. So try to create. Okay. Now what happened? Now let me run. Okay, how to run this model? Okay, see. Okay, see. Go back here. Okay, go to here. Let me rerun it. Okay. Sometimes it will extract. Okay. So we are giving, okay, our name is Praveen test model. Go to the folder. Okay, see, try it run, how to run. So DBT run -m and the model name. Now what happened? Say, tell me what I'm trying to say. See, now it will go to the particular database, particular schema. So by default, when I run any model, a table, okay, a view will be created. Okay, see, when you run any model, now what happened? So by default, okay, see what happened now? A view will be created. Okay, see what happened? Okay, see, view has been created. Okay, now let me show views. Okay, see, view has been created. Suppose like what happened? I don't want to create view. I want to create a table. Then what happened? We should make some metallization concept will come into picture. Okay, see, okay. So this is important. Okay, now make so now see by default it's a view. Now I make it to table. Okay, save the same thing. Let me run. Okay, how to run the model? So by using what command? So dbt run -m and the model name. Okay, now what happens? See, with the same name, now instead of view, now table will be created in the respective database, respect to schema. Okay, got the point. So see, so continue without saving. Okay, now go back here. Now see, SQL table. Okay, confirmation purpose. As you know, how many tables are there? 6 tables are there. Now, okay, now what happened? Now see, 7 tables. Okay, see with the Praveen test model, got the point. So like this way, we can able to create the tables as well as use depends on the use case. Okay, so this is simple. Okay, see what happened. So simple DBT model is nothing but what we, okay, it's a .SQL file that contains the SQL. So transfer, this is simple. I did not write any transformation logic. So by default, what the functional is that what models are nothing but .SQL files that contains the transformation logic. It will create tables and view in the respective database, data warehouse. Okay, so if you like the content, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you for watching.